Hi guys, welcome back to another video, or if you're first time here, welcome. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Jay. I share how to make books over on KDP. I show you how to make printables over on Etsy, and sometimes I show other ways how to make money. But today I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn colouring book. Yeah, and also guys, at the end of it I will be giving them away for free. Yeah, not the books, the pages I create today. Yeah, so what you do then, if you come over to my, once I've created them guys, they'll be over here. Let me just pause this music. Yeah, this is Christmas Everyday Club. This is my website, and if you come here, they'll be on here at some point. You know, these are different blog posts, but if you scroll down the colouring pages, you'll see I've got some gnome Christmas ones, I've got some 4th of July ones, Mother's Day, Easter, and other lots of different free colouring pages here, guys. So when you're ready and you want to check it out, like I said, come to christmaseverydayclub.com and they'll be there, guys. But let's get into today's video in creating them. Now, I've got these, they're called digital stamps. I've got them over on a site called Creative Fabrica, and also typed in, if you come up here, let me just scroll right to the top. I just typed in digital stamps, guys, and it brings up lots of different ones, and then all you do is download them and you can use them for create your own. It is a subscription. I'll leave the link in the description if you want. You can check it out. I think they're doing an offer at the moment, guys. It's just $1. Yeah, $1 for the first month, and then you can cancel it, guys. After that, I think it works out about $19 a month. But like I said, get it for $1, download as many as you want, and then cancel it. Or if you don't want to sign up, you can actually buy them individually, but I'm not sure how much they are. You just have to come over, have a look, check them out. There's a sale on at the moment, 9% off. Just check it out if you want, guys. I'll leave the link in the description. But let's get into it. Like I said, these are all. I've put these borders on, guys. I went into... wait, I can't remember what it's called, but I went. If you know here, you'll know anyway. Right, let's get into it, guys. Let's get some unicorns. Well, we'll start with this one, and all I do, guys, I just make them. I just play about and put them all over the screen. Yeah, so we'll have a bit of this on it. What should we have else? Should we have? Love this little love art, shall we? Make it a bit smaller. Have a bit of a tilt as well. A couple of stars. We'll have another one of these. We'll have a rainbow next time, guys. Yeah. Or should we have this? Let's have a cake. A little cupcake. Little. Yeah, and they're just simple ones. You can play around with them, and if we'll go on to the next page. We'll have some as we go along. We'll make some better ones. Yeah, one floating up in the sky. Have another cloud up here. We'll have it out of there, though, guys. Yeah. What I'll do then, position this backwards, yeah. So it's behind the thing now. So yeah, coming else, maybe we'll have his friend down here, little baby one, yeah. Mummy and daughter, little butterfly maybe. All right, stop and. Sorry guys, we'll be a second. My mouse is just froze, so I'll just pull it out, pull it back in. 1 minute. Yeah, we're back. Sorry about that, guys. Not sure what happened then. Right, so let's have a little bottle. Let's move this up a little bit. Make the butterfly a little tiny one. Maybe it can have a friend as well. Let's duplicate it. But what we'll do, we'll flip it yeah, so what else can we have? Anything else? Maybe. No, we'll leave it at that. Yeah. Another thing, guys, we can make these bigger. You don't have to have them fully in. You, like I said, position it backwards. Yeah, we can have we'll have a rainbow. Yeah, definitely have a rainbow. Kind of want it on tilting though. Yeah. We'll have a star up there as well. Maybe this one, but we'll flip this one. So it's friend. Put this behind. In fact, let me get rid of that and that. I want love art, yeah? They're in love. Make it a bit smaller. We could have had that. We could have had the out here, couldn't we? I'm just talking to myself, guys. I do apologise. Maybe it was better the first time I had it. Yeah, no, you can have just a unicorn. You can have some text on it in a minute. A couple of stars here and there. Yeah, we'll have another star on here. And then you get some text on it, guys. Let's go up to the text, and then we can write. I don't know. I know what I'm going to do. This bit bigger. Gonna go high. Let's duplicate it, but I'm gonna write uni. It's smaller, obviously, guys. What we'll do, bring it down a little bit here, but yeah, fact. You'll know what I'm doing in a minute, guys. One X effects, yeah. Go to hollow, so you can color that in then. So and then 1 minute. Let's go back to our unicorns. There is somewhere. There they are, unicorns. Put that heart there. Yeah. So I heart unicorns. I'm just trying to play about with it a little bit. This one down there. No, I just leave that there a minute. Let's have that in the middle. Is it in the middle? Right, there's the middle. Maybe make this a little smaller in the middle as well. It's all about playing around with it, guys. We'll make it smaller. I think I just messed it up, haven't I, guys? Let's have it back there. I heart. Make this smaller. Unicorns. Have another one there. It's looking rubbish, this one, guys. But you get the gist of it, yeah. You know, you can make it better yourself, probably. Something like that, just to get rid of that. Yeah, and then it's all about playing around a bit. We can have some more stars. You can make things bigger. Some people like these big, bold, like unique, like, you know, like in your face kind of thing. Yeah, and then we can have, I don't know, maybe that. Oh, 1 minute. I just like stars, I think, guys. I keep clicking on stars. And it's just, you just look, these are just simple, easy to colour, easy to create unicorns. Yeah. But I've actually got some different, like, things here. Like, so we've got like, all these down here. These are all off Creative Fabric as well, guys. So we could have some like different styles as well. You can even just put a few on the page. Not sure what she's doing. She's not a unicorn, is she? We'll have her on the page anyway. Someone might like it. We'll have another love art. And maybe I'll get rid of her. She's not part of it, is she? So I don't like that. I'm going to use my own text. All right, magical unicorns. Effects, Apollo. Let's duplicate it. And we'll have it saying. Alright, so let's get this one at the top. These in the middle. Get the unicorns at the bottom. Make this a bit bigger. Be sure centered. We'll have these centered, like mummy and daddy kind of thing. Yeah, and then there's something simple like that. Let's get this a bit bigger. Yeah, magical unicorns. Yeah, you got all these different ones. I love unicorns. You could even go as far as saying, keep it in caps. Yeah, we'll have it a bit bigger. Effects, hollow. Duplicate it. Make it small though, guys. Yeah, a bit like that. And let's go back to our unicorns. And you know what I'm going to do, guys? Where is it? I want this big art. Yeah, it needs to be bigger though, doesn't it? I love unicorns. It's simple. Yeah, so That's 7 designs, and I think the video's going on long enough, guys, so I will leave it at that. But you can have these, guys. All you have to do is go over to the Christmas Everyday Club website, scroll down to colouring pages, and you will find them along here. It's also other things like printable party games and activity sheets and stuff like that, guys. But if you're looking just for the unicorns, go to the website, guys. And if you like this video and you want to see more, because every day this week I'm going to create different like colouring pages for different like themes. So we might have furries, we might have Christmas, we might have sloths, we might have space, dinosaurs, farm animals, ballerinas, you name it, guys. We've got lots coming. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and feel free to watch any others, guys. Some of the other ones I've created, I probably make them a lot easier. I found that I was struggling then, but hope you enjoy them, guys. Here what they are again. Let's look at them one more time. We've got this one here, nice, simple, clean designs. Yeah. And guys, you can have these. Download them. They're yours, guys. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, goodbye.